Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a tool review on this Leatherman multi-tool. Now, this video is not sponsored by this company, but I think it would be really cool if everyone who's watching this went down to the comments and said, like, I love Leatherman or something. And then and if you really like this, go look this up and buy one. I mean, it's pretty cool. So let's start. So this is a pretty sick case. It's got a belt loop. These are screws, don't come out. But it's pretty cool. You could fit a lot inside of this. You could do a lot with this. There we go. It's sort of hard to open case, but it's okay. And then you could fit a lot. Now it has a ruler on each side, so whenever you open it, you can make it straight. And then it could be a full ruler. Has pliers. And if you could never mind. If you really like this, I think I've already said this, you could go and buy one of these. I don't know how much they are, but they're pretty good. They're pretty good pliers, pretty good durability. Used them in my backyard earlier today. Oops. Now we're gonna open little side compartments on this thing. This is hard to open sometimes, but it's probably because it's really old. Now, this is the Leatherman right side. It's got a Swiss Army knife-like blade. I don't know what these are, but I'll give you a close-up on each one. And then we will do the next one right now. And now, so if you go and, so this is a nail file. Now if you really need to file your nails, which I've been filing them all day, I don't know why, you could go and file them. It has a thing, I'm so sorry, but I do not know it. Oh, that's a screwdriver. 2 screwdrivers and a bottle opener. And I'm so sorry if I'm getting these wrong. And then as before, I told you there was a ruler. And there, ruler. In inches goes up to 8 inches. Centimeters goes up to 19 centimeters. Now it's really portable. And I don't know how to edit, but if I figure it out before I launch this video, then I will edit doing this, opening it all. thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you like my videos, which none of you probably do because I only have 16 subscribers and I don't make very good quality content, but if you do, then that's great. I really need subscribers right now. Yeah. And if you liked this video, please subscribe and hit the bell and like. And have a great day. Bye.